For this video, I am going to teach you how to export to Excel on ClickUp. So the process is really simple, and the first thing that you need to do is to head over to app.clickup.com. You can also access that link in the description down below, or that link is available in the description down below. So if you want to go here, you can just simply use that link. So now once you are in here, just log into your account using your own credentials, and from your homepage, what you need to do right here is to click onto the space that you want to export the data to Excel. So I have here a sample topic. So once I am in here, what I need to do is to go to the table view. And if you don't have this option on yours, what you can do is to simply click onto this plus view button right here. And from the options, click table. So once you have done that, then you should be able to have a table option on this section. So again, just click onto the table, and then you should be able to see this formatted version of your data or your tasks and all of your projects, for example. And on the columns right here on the right side, you have your status, due date, priority, and so on. Now, if you add, or if you want to add more details, you can do so by clicking on to this plus column right here, and you'll have your options. So for the first part, you have drop down. You can add drop down, text, date, up to the signature, and also on this section, you have more options. So you have files, formula, labels, location, phone, tasks, or and so on. You can even add website if you want to do so. So once you have added all of the information or the details that you want to export, so for example, right here, I only have the name for my tasks, the assignee, the status, the due date, and the priority. So I am already satisfied with what I have. So then what I need to do next is to open my Google spreadsheet or my Excel for this video. So I have here. So once this file is ready for me to use. So what I need to do is to go back to the ClickUp and then just highlight the portion or the information that I want to export right here. So what I'm going to do next is to right click and then be able to have these options right here. I can copy it, I copy with headers or copy with group headers. So I'm just going with the copy with headers. So once you've done that, go to Excel or spreadsheet and paste it to that specific file or to that file. So now you can just simply change the layout of it, the format, the fonts, font size, and so on. You can add tables or the details if you want to do so. So once you have added all of the information that you might need, you can just save it into your local device, or you can also share it to other people if you want to. So that's basically it. That is a way of how you can export your data here in ClickUp to an Excel or Google spreadsheet file. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.